Hey everyone! Looking for an easy way to monitor your websites and services? Let's use xCloud's one-click apps to deploy Uptime Kuma, the robust self-hosted monitoring tool. Start by logging into your xCloud account. On your dashboard, click the New Site button. Now select your server. Go to the one-click apps section and choose Uptime Kuma from the list. Now it's time to configure the site. Enter a site title and add some tags to help keep things organized. Choose between Go Live for production or demo site if you want to proceed with a demo domain. Proceed to the Go Live tab to add your custom domain and activate this application. Here, add your domain and verify the DNS setup. If your domain is integrated with Cloudflare, just click on the checkbox to verify the DNS instantly. On the other hand, you can verify your DNS setup with your provider as well. Then, create a review of the port and site user that has been created automatically. You can connect your existing database, or xCloud will automatically create a database for you. Finally, click Next to install the site. After deployment, go to the site dashboard and click Visit Site. You'll see the Uptime Kuma login screen. Now, we will create an account with Uptime Kuma and log into the dashboard. Add a new monitor for site. Click on the Add New Monitor button from the dashboard, choose the monitor type, give the site URL, adjust other settings, set up a notification method, and click on the Save button, and you will see that the monitor starts working for your application. Let's build a public status page to share the monitoring stats so that anyone can check out. Click Create New Status Page, give it a name, define a custom URL slug, and hit the Next button. You can customize your page with a short description and a footer text. Also, add your custom domain in the domain name field to access this page in your own domain. Then, click Add Monitor to choose which monitors to display on the page that you have set up already, and finally click on Save to publish the page. You can also set up an additional domain for this application from xCloud as well. In your application dashboard, simply go to the domain and find the additional domain field. Here, insert your additional domain and click on the Save button to complete the setup process. And that's it. Here's how to deploy Uptime Kuma with xCloud in a few simple steps. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.